In this video, I'm going to be talking about dropshipping, what it is, and how you can use it to start earning money online. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about dropshipping for beginners. So if you're brand new to what dropshipping is, I'm going to go over that in this video, and I'm also going to explain on how you can start using it to make money online. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here, then I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to learn different methods when it comes to making money online. First off, let me start off by explaining what dropshipping is. So what dropshipping is basically you look for a product that's being sold online and then you repost that same product, but this time you put it for sale at a higher price. So whenever somebody purchases a product off of you, all you have to do is just go to that original listing and order it, and you have it shipped directly to the customer. And whatever price that you mark up that product for is a profit that you get to keep. So let me give you guys an example of a product that you can start dropshipping. Let's say, for example, you want to start dropshipping a power bank. Now, power banks are used to charge cell phones and other electronic devices. So this is the item that you want to go with. But you have to figure out where you're going to get this product from. Now, a lot of people who use dropshipping, they create their own websites using Shopify, and they get their products from Chinese wholesale websites like AliExpress and DHgate. So when dropshipping a product, you don't have to manufacture anything. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. All you're doing is just contacting one of these Chinese wholesale websites. So this is you right here. You contact this website. You look for sellers that are selling this power bank right here. And what you do is you set up a Shopify website. And then once you create your website, this is going to be your website page. You're going to post this product on your website. And whenever somebody comes to your website and they purchase this power bank, what you're going to do is you're going to contact the seller from these Chinese wholesale websites, and you're going to have it shipped directly to the customer. So back in the day, when you tried to do this, you had to worry about where you're going to get the product from, how you're going to get it manufactured, and you would have to buy that product wholesale. So you would end up investing a whole lot of money into a product that you don't even know would be worth selling. But nowadays, with dropshipping, you don't have to invest any money up front. Maybe just to run a few ads to get people to your website. But all you have to do is just have a product shipped as soon as a customer buys that product from you. Now, as I mentioned, a lot of people use Shopify to dropship because it's pretty user-friendly. It's a lot easier to understand and navigate through than other websites. So all you have to do is set it up, figure out what product that you want to sell, and I recommend that you guys stick in a certain niche when it comes to the products that you're selling. If you're going to be selling electronics, make your website all about electronics and accessories. Don't try to sell electronics and then basketball equipment or fishing equipment. You want to stay to one niche so that way you can have a more targeted audience. So once you decide what niche to go with and what products to pick, the next thing that you have to do is you have to get traffic from platforms like Facebook or Instagram. And this is where you're going to have to invest money into running paid advertisements to get people to your website so they can see the product that you're selling, which is this power bank for this example. And when they buy that power bank, you're going to contact your seller from AliExpress, and this is going to be your customer right here, receiving your product from your Chinese wholesaler. Now, just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, when you're using Chinese wholesale websites like AliExpress or DHgate, it does take a few weeks for people to receive their products because it's coming from overseas. So it can take anywhere between 2 to 6 weeks for a customer to receive your product. But if you guys don't want to go through the hassle of setting up your own website, running paid advertisements, figuring out what product to sell, I'm going to show you another method that I've used before. So I'm going to jump over to my computer screen to show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys. So the other method that I'm talking about that you can use for dropshipping without setting up your own website or getting anything from overseas is by using eBay. Now, a lot of people use eBay to dropship, but the only downside about it is that there is a lot of competition. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me just go over to Google right here, and one of the sources that I use to get products to dropship from is from Walmart. So I used to come to Walmart, type in Walmart rollbacks, and then it would just take me to all their sales that they have. So if you're going to be using Walmart to dropship items, you're going to want to make sure that you're looking for items that offer 2-day shipping. Because the sooner that you can dropship an item to a customer, the better it is for you, because they're going to be satisfied customers. And another thing that you're going to want to do is set the price to $35 and up, because I believe anything above $35 qualifies for free shipping. So I'm going to just type $5.99, and then it's going to show me everything between $35 to $600. So as you can see right here, this microwave is on sale for $64.84. Now, I'm going to show you something right here. All we have to do, if we want to see who's selling this item on eBay, is just copy and paste this title. And then we come over to eBay and we paste it. And you're going to see everybody and their mother that's selling this exact same microwave. Now, this one right here is $65.99, but it's open box. So, I don't know what price they got it for. But as you can see, the price is $64.84. So after tax, that would be about a little bit over $70. And you're going to see people selling it just above $70. This person's selling it for $75. This person's selling for $85, $75, $75, $80. So basically, everybody's selling this same microwave for about the same price. So when you add tax and you take into consideration the fees that eBay charges you, you're gonna only make about $2 or $3. So as I mentioned, the only downside about using eBay is that there is a lot of competition. So if somebody's only gonna make $1 drop shipping an item from a website like Walmart, they're gonna do it just to undercut everybody else. I hope that makes sense. But this is a way that you can earn some quick money, basically by using dropshipping on eBay. Now, the people who earn a lot of money dropshipping on eBay, they use programs that automatically list items from other websites such as Walmart, Home Depot, and Amazon. So they're listing thousands of products online all at once because they have a software that's doing it for them. And the people who are big time dropshippers using this method, they usually hire virtual assistants to fulfill the orders for them. So I wanted to show you this method if you guys are thinking about using dropshipping on eBay. But that's pretty much it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. Now, I've used dropshipping before to make a few extra dollars, but I prefer using a method called affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I've talked about this in other videos that I've done in the past. But just to give you guys a quick explanation, it's basically where you're promoting other people's products online through a link that's coded to you. And whenever somebody clicks on your link and purchases that product, then you make a commission. Now, this is a great way to earn a full-time income. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download down in the description. And if you guys want to get started building your own online business using affiliate marketing, you can check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.